Hey everyone, Ben here. Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, there's been so much hype behind these assets recently, but in this video I'm not going to get into the Bitcoin debate of whether Bitcoin is a legitimate investment or just pure speculation. I covered that in a previous video and I'll leave a link for that in the description below, so then you guys can make up your own mind whether you think Bitcoin is a good investment. In this video I'm going to dive into the top 3 cryptocurrency mining stocks. Now this has come at a very good time after Tesla and Elon Musk invested over $1.5 billion into Bitcoin for their balance sheet, and Elon Musk has recently announced today that he is now formally accepting Bitcoin as a payment for Tesla vehicles. So this could potentially be another major catalyst behind Bitcoin reaching even new all-time highs. So stick around to the end of this video guys, and I think you'll like what I've got for you. But before we dive right in, if you're new around here, feel free to join the investing family by hitting that subscribe button and turning that notification bell on. If you do find any value in this video at all, feel free to give it a big thumbs up. That helps out tremendously with the channel. And if you do want to know in real time exactly which stocks I'm personally buying, selling, and access my entire portfolio, and join a thriving community of some of the finest people on the internet, then feel free to check out that first link in the description below for the VIP membership group. And with that being said, let's dive in. So when there's a gold rush, why not just sell shovels? Yes, you could invest into cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and these assets, or you could invest into the companies which are actually mining these assets. And of course, like any mining company, as the price of the commodity increases, the value of the mining companies also tend to increase. So basically, you're investing into a leverage play on the commodity price. So with that being said, let's dive into these top 3 stocks. Kicking things off at stock number 3 is RIOT Blockchain, ticker symbol RIOT, and this stock is on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. So diving into the share price here, straight off the bat we can see this stock has been on a monster bull run. So it was around $3-4 per share back in October 2020, and then it shot up massively during the first Bitcoin wave, I would say, by 1,850%. So that really is a lot of momentum behind this company. Bear in mind guys, this video is not financial advice at all. Investing into Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and any sort of mining stocks, it's really extremely speculative, extremely high risk, high reward. So just be aware of that if you're investing into these type of stocks. These are not the type of stocks I would put a vast sum of money into. That's just a little warning from me to you guys, because I want to keep you guys safe, any viewers on this channel. So yeah, the stock now is down, so it's had a major correction by 35%. So could this be a potential buying opportunity? Possibly. We're going to dive into a little bit more about this stock. RIOT Blockchain focuses on Bitcoin mining, proof of work mining, racing to find the next block, and building upon the chain. So this is their Bitcoin mining facility. What I like about this company is you can actually see their facility, because you need to be careful with some of these really tiny penny stocks. They might not even have anything behind them. They might have a tiny room full of graphics cards. So you really need to just actually see what this company's got to offer. This is what you guys are investing into. You're investing into all this computing power, and this is working towards obviously churning out more and more Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And of course, as Bitcoin and cryptocurrency rises, then this company will also benefit. But in the same manner, if Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices fall, then this company will also be hit extremely hard. What you need to find out really is what's the sort of bottom line cost for this company. But really, it seems like the company can keep sort of adding new units here as it needs to mine more Bitcoin, and then also just switch off units if Bitcoin prices drop. So it seems a lot easier than an oil company or a gold mining company, which are the type of companies I usually value. So let's dive into the numbers. We're here on Stockopedia. This is a platform I use all the time to analyze stocks. If you guys wish to check it out, I've got an exclusive 25% off discount link only for you guys, the viewers of Motivation to Invest. So if you wish to find out more about this platform, I'll leave a link for it in the description below. But basically every stock in this platform is given a stock rank. So currently this company's got a stock rank of 46, not extremely high. The momentum's high. So really with these type of stocks, if I was personally investing into these type of stocks, I would set up charts, I would set up stop losses, and I'd personally be looking at it more like a trade than a pure play long-term investment. So basically, once the stock actually got to a certain level, I'd take out my original investment and then I'd carry on and keep moving the stop loss up. That's my personal way that I would play these type of stocks. So it qualifies for the price momentum screen. So momentum investing, this is a pure sort of momentum play. But the company does have some okay fundamentals. So the company's valuation is $3.38 billion, and it's got $10 million in revenue. So the price of sales, which is how you can value many companies, many stocks, which is basically 473 for this company. So you're basically paying 473 times the company's previous sales. Now, can it grow its sales in the future? Yes, the company is growing extremely fast, 41% growth. Over the past 3 years, it's grew at 313%. But still, even saying that, for every $1 of this company's sales, you're paying 473 times that. So this company really does have a lot to live up to. It's priced for perfection, like all this industry. So from a fundamental side, I'd say it looks like it's got a high valuation, but this is actually probably one of the best stocks in this space, which is why I'm covering it on this video. This is actually probably one of the more safer stocks out of the relative sort of blockchain, cryptocurrency, mining companies out there at the moment. But yeah, like I say, I think this is a momentum play, and I think it could make a good potential trade. Right, on to stock number 2 is Marathon Digital Holdings, ticker symbol MARA. Diving into the share price for this stock again, we can see again, $3 per share, October 2020. And then as Bitcoin prices skyrocketed, we had Tesla buy Bitcoin, we had Square, PayPal started accepting Bitcoin. Then we can see the stock went on a monster bull run again, up 1,700%. So really, like any mining company, you're getting a leverage play on the commodity price. But now there has been a correction, so be aware if you're investing into these type of stocks, it will be a roller coaster. So you need to hold on tight. 20% down at the moment. Again, this is one, it's got $3.76 billion market cap, so pretty big deal. But this is one, again, I would look at it more as a trade than an investment just because of the volatility. Expect a lot of volatility in these stocks. But this company does have a large proprietary data center in Hardin, Montana, I believe that is, with a maximum power capacity of 105 megawatts. Once fully deployed, the company will have 21,000 anti-miner Bitman S19 Pro Bitcoin miners in operation at this facility. The company also owns some other Bitcoin miners at a co-hosted facility in North Dakota. So this is the Bitcoin mining facility this company's got here. It's basically like a collection of graphics cards. That's basically what it is, and they're all synced together in order to mine Bitcoin. Let's look at the revenue. It's got a lot more revenue than the previous company predicted for 2021. So major jump from $4 million in 2020, predicted to go to $286 million by 2021. So currently the growth this past year, so this is growing a lot faster than RIOT, 854% on the revenue growth. So fantastic growth. Current ratio, strong balance sheet, 198. So anything over 1.5 is good in terms of balance sheet. Beware, this company does start to become profitable, expected for 2021. The previous company was unprofitable. So yeah, to me, this seems like a better play than the previous RIOT company mentioned. Valuation is a bit higher though. Valuation price of sales, 900 times company sales. So definitely not a value play. Definitely not a value investment, definitely not something Warren Buffett would approve of. And again, stop losses, make a trade if you're interested in these type of stocks. Not financial advice again, guys. Stock number 3, this one is a really surprising one. And this one I thought was actually the most speculative, but could actually have the most high risk, high reward potential. So this is on the Canadian Venture Exchange with the ticker symbol HIVE. And if we dive into the share price here, this stock was just 50 cents back in October 2020. It ran up by 1,400%, and it's correcting now as Bitcoin price have also corrected by 38%. So this is what you need to avoid with these type of stocks. You don't want to be left holding the bag at the top of these major bull runs, and no one can predict the actual top. So that's what you want to avoid by getting in them at lows and at good support levels. So if we dive into Hive Blockchain, what I like about this company is it's diversified internationally. So they've got operations in Canada, Sweden, and Iceland. Again, on the revenues, this company's got pretty good, pretty stable revenues, $29 million in revenue predicted to reach $39 million and $91 million by 2022. So this company's not growing as fast as the other companies, but I think its estimates look a lot more realistic for growth. So sales growth over the last year has been 173%. Current ratio 2.92, strong current ratio, strong balance sheet. Surprisingly, this is the best value stock in this video for price of sales of 34. Now, comparing that to any other stock in the entire stock universe, that's still a high valuation. You're paying 34 times the company's sales, but relative to these other Bitcoin mining stocks we've looked at, this could be one of the best stocks. And it also mines Ethereum, so could also add a little bit of diversification to this, but I do believe cryptocurrencies will all move together anyway. And when I do a comparison on Stockopedia between all three stocks, Hive Blockchain comes out as the best. These are still extremely speculative plays. Anything in this crypto space is extremely speculative, even the actual crypto assets. So just be aware of that. Size your position sizes accordingly. Don't put too much in. My goal on this channel is to help you guys be successful in the market. I want to keep you guys safe and make sure you guys make good investments. I've made this video on these blockchain stocks because I've had so many requests from the community for videos on these type of stocks. So I've covered these, and honestly, these are probably the three best ones out there at the moment, but it really is like a Wild West shootout. So you just need to be aware of that. Stop losses, take profits when you can, take out your original investment, and that's my personal advice on the best way I'd personally play these type of stocks. So if you guys found some value in this video, feel free to give it a big thumbs up. That helps out tremendously with the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to join the investing family by hitting that subscribe button and turning that notification bell on. And if you do want to know real time exactly which stocks I'm buying, selling, and access my entire portfolio and join a thriving community of some of the finest people on the internet, then feel free to check out that first link in the description below for our VIP membership group. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an incredible day, and I'll see you in my next video. Invest safe.